Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make an image transparent. Do note that I am using the Canva app, and you can also do the same using Canva in your desktop browser. Now let's begin. I have already uploaded a picture and dragged it to my canvas. Now simply click on the image, and on the menu bar you will see many options that appear. Next to position, you can find something like transparency. It will look like a chessboard. Simply click on it, and now you will find a slider. Slide it up and down, and there you have it. That is how you can change the transparency. You can change the transparency as per your requirements. For now, I am just showing you how to do it, and that's it. Hope you found this video useful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.